Head on collision. Damn.
Some weeks back, comedian Sabinus, who is known to be a popular comedian in Nigeria, had a ghastly accident. Nothing happened to him, but unfortunately, his car got damaged. I mean, his car was a total write-off. I know some of you might be wondering, oh my god, so he's going to buy another new car? Well, surprisingly, he had a comprehensive insurance, which means that comedian Sabinus will get a replacement. He's gonna get a new car. Okay, let's hear what comedian Sabinus have to say.
You see why it's good to buy motor put insurance? And sharp. Comprehensive, sharp. You see, comprehensive, sharp. You see, black before, now white. And nothing will happen again in Jesus'